Hey there, art lovers. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of being broke and wondering how to make money online with your art? Well, worry no more, because I got some juicy advice for you. As an artist myself, I've spent years trying different methods and learning from my mistakes, so now I'm here to share my secrets with you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive in, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up every day, heading to your studio and doing what you love all day long without any stress or worries. And the best part, making a ton of money while you're at it. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not impossible, my friends. It just takes some hard work and dedication. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to make money online, let me tell you one thing. There are no shortcuts or guaranteed recipes. Anyone who tells you otherwise is probably trying to scam you. Sorry to burst your bubble, but making $1 million overnight is as likely as getting struck by lightning while riding a unicorn. Yeah, I want to be completely honest with you. Beware of smarty pants out there who claim to have all the secrets to making a fortune online. Let's face it, we have all seen those videos promising a guaranteed recipes for earning 6 figures a month, but let's be honest, 90% of those are simply scams. Okay, I have an idea. If you want to cut to the chase, I have some expert advice for you.
The first million is the hardest to make.
Right. Yeah.
So start with the second million.
Right.
Hello? It was supposed to be funny, guys. Come on, wake up!
Okay, jokes aside, let's get back to business. Making money online is not a new concept and there are tons of ways to do it. But what really matters is how much effort you are willing to put in. There are no shortcuts, my friends. No. You gotta roll up your sleeves and get to work. One popular method for artists is advertising on YouTube. Now, don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Remember our little joke earlier? But it can be a helpful source of income on the side. The best part is, once you meet all the requirements, you can get paid directly to your bank account. To monetize your YouTube channel, you first need to become a YouTube partner. That means you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of video watch time in the past 12 months. Once you are approved, you can enable ads on your videos and start making money. But remember, creating a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. You gotta put in to work to create engaging content and build your audience. And most importantly, don't give up, guys. Perseverance is the key. If you want to know how your channel is doing in the statistics, I recommend keeping an eye on the basic metrics such as RPM and CPM. And if you want to increase your revenue, you need to focus on the RPM metric in particular. RPM stands for revenue per mile and is the metric that YouTube uses to calculate the income that your channel earns from ads. RPM represents the amount of ad revenue earned for every 1,000 views of a video on your channel. The RPM value depends on many factors, such as video quality, content, category, and more. Monitoring RPM is a science in itself, so I won't go into too much detail here. So once you have everything set up, it's all up to you how much work and time you put it into. As I said before, you won't get rich from ad revenue at the beginning, but it will definitely add some pocket change. Just turn on the ads and check your account every month to see how much money you have made. Easy. And hey, who knows, maybe one day you will be able to afford a fancy yacht like PewDiePie or private jet like MrBeast. A much better way to make money online is create an account on Patreon. Patreon is a web platform that allows content creators to receive financial support directly from their fans and provide them with exclusive access to certain content. As a creator, you can create and share your artistic works, videos, podcasts, text, and anything else, whatever you want. And fans can support you with financial contributions, usually on a monthly basis. The advantage for fans is that they become part of the community and gain access to exclusive content that you prepare for them and which is not available anywhere else. The advantage for you as a creator is that with regular support from your fans, you can devote yourself full-time to your creation, which is dream come true for many of us, right? On Patreon, you can earn a lot of money every month. I did a quick survey on the best ones. Let's take a quick look at them. Angela Anderson, an artist who primarily creates with acrylic paint. She's got about 2,500 Patreons on her account. If you multiply the number of members by her cheapest rate, you will get a profit about $7,000 per month. But she earns much more since there are other categories on her Patreon that are more expensive than her basic rate. Wow, 2,500 patrons. That's more people than I've ever talked about in my life. I mean, I've talked to my wife and my dog, but they don't count. Anyways, she's ranking in some serious cash with her artwork. Damn, I think I need to start painting with acrylics like Angela. Maybe I can become the next Bob Ross, but instead of painting happy little trees, I'll paint happy little memes. Jason Morgan, a wildlife artist who is followed approximately by 1,400 patrons. If you multiply the number of users by the price of cheapest membership, you get some of $7,000. However, his actual earnings are even higher, as many users subscribe to his other tiers on Patreon. Another is Lisa Claw, an artist with approximately 1,200 Patreon supporters. If you multiply the number of users with the cheapest membership, the amount comes out more than $1,000 per month. This is just a fraction of the artists who are successful on Patreon. You can see that if you work hard, you have the potential to make some serious cash from your creation on Patreon. So if you are drawn to the life of full-time artist, Patreon is the great choice for how you can achieve your dream. Just remember, building a brand and gaining loyal patrons will be a long process. You'll need a lot of time to develop your art and building a relationship with your fans. But if you stick with it, you will be rewarded with some serious interesting financial gains and tons of fans who will gladly support you. So, if you're on Patreon, what are you waiting for? Now it's time to turn your creative passion into a full-time gig and start making some loot. Another way that works is publishing your own books. There are several websites out there where you can create and offer your books. But the one that I personally found effective is Kindle Direct Publishing. KDP is a service provided by Amazon that allows authors to publish their books in both ebook and print formats on the Amazon website. So if you got a great book idea, don't be afraid to take a plunge and publish it with KDP. Who knows, you could be the next J.K. Rowling. But hey, even if not, at least you can impress your parents with your own published book, right? KDP allows you to manage your publications, track sales, and monitor feedback from readers. The service also offers marketing tools such as Amazon advertising to help authors and publishers promote their books and increase sales. If you complete all the requirements during registration, including filling out contact information and tax obligation, you can start publishing. The great advantage is that the payment is made every month in the selected currency directly to your bank account. At first glance, it seems like an easy way to make money, right? In reality, however, the problem arises of what to actually sell. Writing a book is not such a simple matter, and as always, it depends on your skills. Right from the start, I'll give you some advice. Forget about all the simple and quick coloring books and diaries that the experts recommend selling on YouTube. The KDP market is oversaturated with it. If I talk about my own books, it took me several months to create a manuscript every time. Then I found and paid a graphic designer to create a professional looking book. I wanted to distribute the book globally, of course. I had to translate the books into English, which is not a cheaper matter, especially if the translation includes the textilization. From what I've described, it must be clear to you that if you are serious about publishing, be prepared to spend some money at the beginning. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, just remember, every great success story starts with a little bit of money and a whole lot of caffeine. The last good option for making money is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing works by the seller paying their partners, usually websites or blogs that belong to you, a commission for each sale that the partner mediates through links on their website. Very simply put, if someone clicks on your link and buys something, you get a commission from the sale. So again, first you need to register with a seller who offers an affiliate program. After getting registered, you can start generating links to the products you choose. Then you place them on your website or blog, and if someone clicks on them and makes a purchase, you get a small reward for mediating the transaction. As a seller, the advantage for you is that you can sell products without the need for the storage and shipping. You don't have to worry about customer support or invoicing. Your only task is to get followers and persuade them to click on your link. Alright folks, as you've probably gathered from this video, making money online is definitely possible in today's world. You can even make a successful living from it, but it's not easy, let me tell you. The only recipe that works is to get off your butt and work your ass off until you are torn apart. Okay, if this video was helpful to you, I'd appreciate if you let me a like. If something caught your attention or if you want to learn more about the topic, leave me a comment below the video and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, there you have it, folks. My expert advice on how to make money with your art. Just remember, the second million is always easier. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more art related content. Until then, happy hustling guys. Bye bye.